Dear students, in last class I explained the forward difference, backward difference, and also forward difference table and also backward difference table. Today I explain first interpolation. Interpolation and extrapolation. Okay, interpolation and also extrapolation. Interpolation nothing but, for example, we take x value 1, 2, 3, 4 of an unknown value function, corresponding y value 10, 16, 38 and 64. So it is the data of an unknown function. Here we need to find y value corresponding x value now. So here we have to find, for example, we have to find y of 1.1 or y of 2.5 or y of 3.5. Okay, your 1.5, 2.5 and also 3.5, this three value lies between 1 and 4. So this process is called as a interpolation. Interpolation is nothing but the process of finding the value of y for any given value of x between x0 and also xn is called interpolation. And extrapolation means, for example, you have to find y of 4.5 or y of 6. Y of 4.5 or y of 6 are lies outside the range now, means out of the range. This process is called as a extrapolation. Extrapolation nothing but the process of finding the value of y outside the given range of x is called as a interpolation. So here in this case we discuss totally 4 methods. One is Newton forward interpolation formula. IF means interpolation formula. Second one is Newton backward interpolation formula and Newton general interpolation formula. Next, or divided difference formula also is called as a Newton divided difference formula. And last one is Lagrange interpolation formula. Okay, here we using these 4 methods we have to find y value corresponding x value. X values lies between, your x values lies between the range. Okay, so now first we discuss Newton forward interpolation formula and also Newton backward interpolation formula. So Newton forward interpolation formula. First, Newton forward interpolation formula. Newton interpolation formula states that y of x, which is equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 r minus 3 by 4 factorial into delta the power of 4 y naught. It is goes on continuing where r is equal to x minus x naught divided by h. Okay, next Newton backward interpolation formula. Your delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta to the power of 4 y naught. So here we construct forward difference table. Then have to find delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, and also delta to the power of 4 y naught. Okay, next method is Newton general interpolation formula. Sorry, Newton backward interpolation formula. Newton backward interpolation formula. Here Newton backward interpolation formula states that y of x is equal to yn plus r into nabla yn plus r into r plus 1 by 2 factorial into nabla square yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 3 factorial into nabla cube yn dash dash dash. It is goes on continuing up to nth term here where r is equal to x minus x naught divided by h. So first I take one example. I explain both Newton forward and also backward interpolation formula. So first I take one example, one problem. So here we have to find y of 1.4 and also y of 5.5. Using the data, we have to find both y of 1.4 and also 5.5. Given x value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Corresponding y value 10, 26, 58, 112, 194. Okay, now first we construct the table. The construction of the table is it is very simple. Either we consider forward difference table or backward difference table. So first take difference between these two value. 26 minus 10 value 16. 58 minus 16, 58 minus 26. 58 minus the 26 value 32. Next 112 minus 58 value 54. Next 194 minus 112 is value 82. This is the first forward difference value. Next again we take difference between these two value. 32 minus 16 value 16. 54 minus 32 value 22. Okay, next 82 minus 54 value 26. Again we take difference between these two value. 22 minus 16. 22 minus 16 which is equal to 6, and 26 minus 6 were 26. 26 minus 22 value 4. One second. Sorry, this is 82 minus 54 value 28. 28 minus 22 value 6. Again 6 minus 6 value 0. So here suppose we use Newton forward interpolation formula, then we take first leading value, that is y naught, delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught, delta the power of 4 y naught. Suppose we use Newton backward interpolation formula, then you have to take last leading value, that is yn, nabla yn, nabla square yn, nabla cube yn. Okay, now take, so here in this problem we have to find y of 1.4 and also y of 1.5. So again one confusion arise here when we use this either Newton forward and also backward. So here first we take this value 1.4. 1.4 is nearest to first value or last value. Compare 1.4 is nearest to first value, then we use forward interpolation formula. 5 point next here, suppose the value is nearest to last value or out of the range, then we use a Newton backward interpolation formula. Means for finding y of 1.4 we use Newton forward interpolation formula. For finding y of 5.5 we use Newton backward interpolation formula. So now I take Newton forward interpolation formula. Newton forward interpolation formula. Newton forward interpolation formula states that y of x is equal to y naught plus r into delta y naught plus r into r minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y naught plus r into r minus 1 r minus 2 by 3 factorial into delta cube y naught dash dash dash. Okay, where r is equal to x minus x naught divided by h. So first we have to find r value. R is equal to x means given value, means we have to find 1.4 now. So take x is equal to 1.4 minus x naught. X naught value means first value, that is 1, divided by h. Difference between x value 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 value 1. So 1. So 1.4 minus 1 become 0.4. So now substitute the value. y of x is equal to y naught value 10 plus r into 0.4 plus delta y naught means first difference, that is 0.4 into 16 plus 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1, 2 factorial value 2, delta square y naught value 2 plus 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1, 0.4 minus 2 by 3 factorial value 6 into delta q y naught value 6, then delta to the power of 4 value 0, 0 into something is 0, then 6 6 cancel, your 2 ones are 2 8s are. Now simplify, then y of x is equal to 10 plus 0.4 into 16 plus 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 into 8, next 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 into 0.4 minus 2 into 0.4 minus 2. So 0.4 into 16 value 6.4, 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 into 8 become minus 1.92, 0.4 into 0.4 minus 1 into 0.4 minus 2 value 0.384. Simplify, we get the 14.864, that is y half 1.4 value, sorry, y of 1.4 value 14.864. So like that we used to forward interpolation formula, we have to find the value. Next we come to Newton backward interpolation formula. So Newton backward interpolation formula state that y is equal to y naught, sorry, yn plus r into nabla yn plus r into r plus 1 by 2 factorial into nabla square yn plus r into r plus 1 into r plus 2 by 3 factorial into nabla cube yn. So here yn, here first we have to find r value x minus xn divided by h. R is equal to x value means we have to find y of 5.5 now. So x value 5.5, xn value means last value, that is 5 divided by h, difference is value 1. 5.5 minus 5 become 0.5, so r value 0.5. Then here this is the yn value, nabla yn, nabla square yn, nabla cube yn. Now all the value substitute in this equation, so that is y naught is equal to yn value 194 plus r value 0.4 into, sorry, 0.5 into nabla yn value 82 plus 0.5 into 0.5 plus 1 by 2 factorial into nabla square yn value 28 plus 0.5 into 0.5 plus 1 into 0.5 plus 2 divided by 6 into nabla cube yn value 6, nabla to the power of 4 yn value 0, 0 into something is 0, so we stop. So here 6 6 cancel, 2 1s are 2 14s are. Now simplify, y of 5.5 which is equal to 194 plus 0.5 into 82 plus 0.5 into 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5 into 14, okay, plus 0.5 into 1 plus 0.5 become 1.5 into 2.5. Now simplify, So simplify, we get 247.375. This is the y of 1.5. So that we have to find forward difference using forward and also backward interpolation formula. We have to find y value corresponding x value. Here one thing, if x value is the nearest to first value, then only we use Newton forward interpolation formula. If x value is nearer to last value or out of the range, then we use backward interpolation formula. Thank you.